Hello, and welcome to the Mentor Connect Coffee Break. This coffee break will provide a brief overview on things you need to know regarding your award abstract. My name is Pamela Silvers, and I will be your host for this presentation. This presentation will include where do you find the abstracts, what is an abstract, who creates the abstract, who is the audience, and what do you include in your abstract. First of all, this screenshot shows where you find award abstracts. From the nsf.gov website, you can click on Awards and then scroll to the bottom to click Search Awards. When you find an award that you're interested in, scroll to the bottom of the overview and you can read the abstract. If you're unfamiliar with conducting searches, please watch Mentor Connect Coffee Break entitled Researching ATE Funded Projects and Centers. This screenshot shows a sample abstract, but as you look at abstracts, you may wonder, how did they get created? How are they done? This coffee break is going to provide you that information. First of all, an abstract is a public description of awards that NSF has made. Abstracts are intended for a broad audience and should differ from your project summary that is submitted as part of a technically reviewed proposal. Abstract should describe the project and justify the federal funds provided to support it. Your abstract is the intellectual property of NSF. After your funding recommendation, your NSF program officer may ask you to create an abstract. If you read the PAPPG, it states that should a proposal be recommended for award, the PI may be contacted by the program officer for assistance and preparation of a public award abstract and its title. An NSF award abstract with its title is an NSF document that describes a project and justifies the expenditure of federal funds by articulating how the project serves the national interest. So, to reiterate, the abstract is publicly available. The Office of Legislative and Public Affairs actively distributes abstracts to members of Congress, the media, and other individuals. And the individuals who read the abstract may or may not have the scientific expertise. Many of you have seen a news article where a member of Congress talks about waste of federal funds. In many cases, they only looked at an abstract or title of a proposal. You don't want your project to be the one that gets negative press. So, what should an abstract have? You should include two paragraphs. You want to avoid redundancy in the paragraphs. Write in the third person. Do not use we, our, or us. Your future tenses and active voice should be used, such as this project will. Refer to the project. Don't refer to it as a proposal, award, or program. Include words such as significance or importance in the first paragraph, and include words such as goals and scope in the second paragraph. Paragraph 1 should be your non-technical description of the project that states a positive outcome or the student assets the project will produce. It should explain the project's broader significance and importance that services a public justification for NSF funding. It should be entirely understandable to a reader from the general public, and it should describe the fundamental issues that the project addresses. Again, the paragraph should be positive. Don't focus on the negative. For example, do not say, this project will address the poor math literacy skills of mechanical engineering majors. A better example, this project will increase the math literacy of undergraduate students, especially mechanical engineering majors. This screen shows some examples of language for the first paragraph. Note that it addresses local and regional needs, the length of the project, and the attended audience, project activities, and broader impacts. Remember, you can pause this screen and read items as needed. Paragraph 2 is your more technical description and should state the goals and scope of the research, the methods and approaches to be used. In many cases, your technical description might be able to be a modified version of the project summary. Make sure you do not reiterate what you included in paragraph 1. Make sure the abstract does not include acronyms or terms a non-scientific person would not understand. Here are a few suggestions of what might be included in the second paragraph: the project goals, a description of the developed courses, and relevant training. Look at the last item on this list. This is something you must include as the last sentence of your abstract. This project is funded by the Advanced Technological Education Program that focuses on the education of technicians for the advanced technology fields that drives the nation's economy. This example provides the due numbers for some abstracts you might want to look at for examples of wording. For more information on this or any other topic related to your ATE grant, please visit the Mentor Connect library. Type your keywords in the search box provided. This coffee break was presented by the Mentor Connect Leadership Development and Outreach for ATE project. You may email us if you have any questions or if you have suggestions for future coffee breaks. Thank you.